So the last feature from our Impact and Impact Plus side menu is our apps and our favorites tab. So by tapping on apps, this will show me all of the apps that are installed on my screen. Your Impact and Impact Plus screen will come with a number of default apps already installed. Things like Clevershare for mirroring and casting, your Clever Message, your free digital signage package, your free Clevertouch MDM registration system where you can enroll your screen into your free Clevertouch MDM to manage those on there as well as a number of other apps like browsers, etc, etc. So once you've installed your apps on this thing, it's just like it is on a mobile phone. If you want to group apps together, then what you can do is hold an app, drag it onto another app, and once you release, that will make a folder for you, just like it does on your phone. If you then tap on that folder and tap on the word folder at the top, you then have the option to rename that depending on the content of your folder. That's now renamed my folder as history, so I can obviously put all my history apps in that folder and manage it nice and easily. As you can see over on this side here, I've got a little Microsoft folder with my Microsoft applications in there, so you can manage it just as you would with the applications on your phone. If you need to delete an application, you press and hold the application and your bin icon will appear at the top. You simply release and drag on your bin and that will ask you if you'd like to uninstall. As you can see, it's removed my folder because that app no longer exists. That's your app system and how you manage your apps. As you can scroll through your apps, the number of dots at the bottom will just reveal to you how many pages of apps that you've got. 2 dots, 2 pages, 3 dots, 3 pages, etc. So from the side menu again, I have my favorites tab at the bottom. From here, I might want to add my particular favorite apps that I use more often than not. So I'm going to click on my add icon. There I get taken into my app page where I can select my particular app. I tap on it. That will add that down at the bottom. If I want to do more than one in one go, then I can do that. And I can add all my apps to my favorite bar at the bottom. I click off. And then once I tap back on my favorites bar down here, you can see all my favorite apps are now added down there for quick access and ease of use. Tapping on the app opens your app up nice and quickly.